If you are new to the crypto world, a cryptocurrency wallet is used for sending and receiving coins. Since Stellar is another cryptocurrency, you will need a wallet to store, send, and receive Stellar. Wallets such as MetaMask is designed for EVM-compatible chains such as Ethereum and are not compatible with Stellar. And today's video is proudly sponsored by MyCryptoView, featuring BSC Multisender. Need to send tokens to multiple addresses? MyCryptoView's BSC Multisender tool is your solution. It's 50% cheaper than all other multisenders. Check it out to enhance your Binance Smart Chain airdrop distributions. Now let's continue. Alternative options such as the Ledger Nano S, which is known as one of the secure hardware wallets, can be used for storing Stellar. Another option is the Atomic Wallet, which supports various cryptos including Stellar, XLM. If you are looking for a wallet like MetaMask, then Stellarport is similar to MetaMask, which is built specifically for Stellar, and it's a web-based wallet like MetaMask. If you are interested in setting up Stellarport Wallet, you can follow the steps in this video. Step 1. Go to Stellarport official website via the link in the video description. Step 2. Click the New Wallet button. Step 3. Save and back up your recovery phrase and don't share it with anyone. Step 4. Toggle the Yes, I confirm, and click Next once you have saved your recovery phrase. Step 5. Verify your recovery phrase. Step 6. Input the nickname, password for your wallet, and click the Advanced Options button and click I understand and wish to proceed button. Once you've created your wallet, you should see a screenshot like the one below. Sign up for more crypto tools and educational crypto topics at mycryptoview.com and subscribe to our channel.